If you're holding Internet Computer ICP right now, I've got some big news for you because I just recently spotted something massive for the Internet Computer ICP price in the daily time frame, and many people are actually overlooking this. And shortly after that in this video, I'll also be revealing to you guys my new shocking targets for ICP in the short term, as well as my current expectations for ICP in the mid to long term. And you definitely wouldn't want to miss this update video I have for the Internet Computer ICP price. So today we are inside the daily time frame for ICP. And yes, I have just realized something for ICP that many people are completely overlooking at right now. So take a look at this. We are right now dumping to the downside for the past couple of days. We have been inside this consolidation. We are having a pullback. We're moving to the downside, lower highs and lower lows. So we are in a short-term pullback or downtrend. However, the big news I have right now is if we do zoom out in the daily time frame, you guys can see, if we do zoom out, you can see that there is a massive bull flag for ICP. Yes, many people are not talking about this. We had this pull to the upside, and now we are in this consolidation phase. This is a bull flag, a massive bull flag, and this usually turns out to be bullish because once we do break towards the upside of the trend line of the flag, we usually see a huge pump towards the upside. So this is definitely looking good for ICP. And you may be wondering what are the levels to look out for and what are my current expectations for ICP in the short term. Let's discuss all of that in today's video. So let's move to the next chart right here. You guys can see I have already set the target for the bull flag. So here are the conditions that should be met. If we do see ICP in the next couple of days have a successful break above this trend line or break above the previous swing high right here, and that is at around $17.758. If we do successfully have a break above the previous swing high right here and flip it to support, we could be seeing ICP move and pump towards the upside to our target of $28. Yes, $28 is the target of this huge bull flag formation in the daily time frame, you guys can see. So again, the condition that should be met is we must see ICP first of all have a break above this trend line right here and flip that to support before moving towards the upside and pumping hard to $28. Now, at the moment though, we are still dumping towards the downside in the daily time frame, and I bet you guys are wondering what is the best level to look out for right now and what is the level where we could most likely see the ICP Internet Computer price have a reversal. So I would like you guys to look out for this blue zone right here. This is previous major resistance and it is now flipped to major support. So in case we do see ICP dump towards the downside even more, I'm expecting this blue zone to support the price, and we could from here have the reversal we are expecting. And this level is, by the way, located at around $15. So yes, in case we see ICP dump further towards the downside, look out for this blue zone as support, and I'm expecting this zone to support the price and pump the price towards the upside. We're going to be having a bounce here. That's what I'm expecting, and this would definitely be a good level to DCA into, because again, this to me is a safe zone because this is a support zone, and I believe that the bulls will take over at this level. Now let us talk about my long-term view for ICP, because I know many of you are prepared for this coming bull run and you are now wanting to hear my targets. So yeah, to give you guys an update, my view or my targets still have not changed for the long term. In the long term, I still believe that ICP is destined to break past these levels right here. I believe that ICP, along with the entire crypto altcoin market, is going to pump hard once we do enter full bull run mode. Once the Bitcoin halving actually starts to take place and Bitcoin starts to pump hard, I believe that altcoins will also have its time to shine, and also ICP. So again, take a look at the longer time frame targets. We have $23 as our first target, which I believe is going to be met soon. And then after $23, we have $36 as our next target, and so on at $54, $81. And yes, as the bull run continues, I'll be adjusting my targets respectively. But overall, am I feeling bullish for ICP? Yes, I am feeling bullish for ICP. I believe that we are still about to see more to come for ICP. I believe that we are still in the beginning phase of ICP. I believe that the price action right now is looking healthy because we had this long consolidation. We recently broke above resistance. We're now having a retest. This is looking good. I believe that we're going to be meeting $23 soon. And then $36 right after that. So look out for these targets in the long term. We have $23, $36, $54, and $81. I believe that $23 will be smashed soon. So look out for this one because again, we are forming a massive bull pennant. Bull flag for ICP in the daily time frame, and we're just waiting for the confirmation. And the confirmation is going to be a break above this flag. And once we do that, flip that to support, and then off we go. So this is looking good. And also, if we do dump further to the downside, look out for this blue zone as support. And overall, looking good, looking bullish for ICP, guys. If you're holding ICP, comment down below if you're holding ICP. Also, I would like to tell you guys that we are about to go through one of the biggest bull runs of our life. And if you're actually serious about making life-changing wealth, you can no longer do this alone. You can no longer be a lone wolf. You need a group of people. You need a network of people who would supply you with value, who would supply you with information and insights. And this can only be accessed through our private networking group over on Discord. This is called the Swan Group. Our members are growing steadily every single day because I release weekly market insights and updates, and all we do is provide value. We are planning on how we could take full advantage of this upcoming opportunity, which is a bull run. And if you are not in it, you are missing out. So be sure to join my Discord server or my private networking group over in the description. Do this fast, act now, because this doesn't last for long. As the bull run comes, this private networking group is going private. I will no longer be accepting any people anymore. So be sure to join now while it's still available to you. So act now.